Attention Cherwell customers. Are you navigating the transition from Cherwell and looking for a support partner that truly understands your needs? Look no further. At T4S Partners, we know how crucial it is to have reliable support during and after your Cherwell journey. That's why we've developed SureSupport, a comprehensive support offering tailored specifically for Cherwell customers. With SureSupport, you'll get expert guidance, access to a team of ITSM professionals with deep experience in Cherwell and ITSM transitions. Seamless transition, assistance with upgrades, integrations, and migrations to modern platforms like Avanti Neurons or others. Optimized solutions, continued support for your Cherwell environment, including configurations, enhancements, and best practices. Peace of mind, proactive maintenance and support to ensure minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. Don't let uncertainty slow you down. T4S Partners is here to help you maximize your Cherwell investment and plan for the future. Let's connect and discuss how SureSupport can empower your business to thrive. Email Adrian to schedule a call.